disarming. So what we're going to do now is in this one, we're going to continue with our defanging the snake, and then we're just going to do follow-ups. All I'm going to do is follow up with mark the X. So what do I mean by mark the X? Basically, when I hit, this would then drop the weapon, and then from there, I'm just going to follow up with the X pattern. So I go forehand and backhand. This could be anywhere. So let's say I hit this weapon, it drops, but her arm's still out. So I go hit, she drops, but then I could be hitting the elbow, hitting the arm, and then hitting the head. Doesn't matter what it is. Or from here, I could up the X and come back down. You could do anything you want with the X. The X is just literally just mark the target with an X. So I'm here, we'll just go through some. So we go 1, and then I just mark the X. Then I go for your leg, you're going to go 2, and then we're just going to mark the X. You're going to come in 3, bang, and then I just mark the X. And then from here come in 4, and then I'm just going to mark the X. Obviously from here, be careful with your partner. You're not really going to hit them. So when you're practicing, you can go 1, and then you can step back. And then when they go from here, they go 2, and then you can step back. And when you go 3, then you can step back. Just to make sure that you can get this really good exit in without hitting them. When you're doing it for real, obviously we've got bang, this is disarm, and we've got 1, and we've got 2. Okay, from here, just multiple targets and everything that we can hit. So we'll do this one more time. You're going to go through angles 1 to angle 2 to angle 3 to angle 4. You're going to do the defanging the snake with the follow-up X's, with the follow-up X's, with the follow-up X's, and with the follow-up X's. And that has been your stick training exercise. Give it a go.